These steps to Marleybone success. Always have at least one full potion ready in case of emergencies. Always have at least 2 healing cards in your deck that require less than 4 pips. Keep a full deck of treasure cards just in case of emergencies. Always have a friend online that can help you in battle.